Rain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. For this episode of Rain Access Solutions, there's nothing much to do, but I have this ergonomic design lap desk that I bought from City Pharmacy today. So from the get-go, if you look at this is not just a regular desk for laptop. You can see there are so many descriptions in there, and the pictures at the back of the box helped me decide to buy this. And as you can see from that, it can perform, or it can do a lot of those things. Like it has a slot for for the laptop and for the mouse and for the phone. And let's go ahead and open it so we can see what's inside. So apparently the plastic has a damage, but it's fine. It does not affect the item. I hope so. So here it is. It's quite a bit. There's a feeling of a bit of weight to it, like a bit heavy, and the plastic seems to be sturdy. It has this small latch that you can bring up so the laptop can stay in place. And there is this flat surface where you can swivel up and down into different angle, and then you can lock it down to those grooves at the bottom so that your laptop can face you properly. And this mouse desk where you can put your mouse on top, it's just perfectly sized. Like it's not too small or too narrow. I mean, actually have a nice space for you to move your mouse around. And here's the angle or the view from the side. Okay, let's go ahead and flip this to see the back part of it. Okay, there are two soft spongy material at the back, and it is not just a foamy material, but I think inside they put or they added a grainy materials like sand or something, which I think they have added to keep this table from sliding off of your lap. Okay, this is how it will look like with a laptop on top of it. And I just added a wired mouse so that we can see how it will fare or how it will look like with a wired mouse attached to it. Let's bring it down on top of my lap to see how it will look like and how it will feel. Okay, judging from how it feels, I think that this laptop desk is, perfect. Or how should I say it? It actually suits my preference or how I needed it. And if I'm not happy with the angle, I can, easily adjust it higher or lower depending on how I wanted it to be. Or if I just want it to be flat on the table, then I can just, bring it downwards. This way, I find it more natural to use the laptop and I won't feel, strained. Sometimes it's easier to work with your laptop if you can see the monitors and the letters inside the monitors properly and the angles are just fine, less stress to your eyes. So that's it, guys. I hope you find this video useful. If you do find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.